Atera versus SuperOps. Let's get started. So Atera is an all-in-one RRM, or also what you call remote monitoring and management platform built for MSPs and IT departments, offering monitoring, ticketing, patching, automation, remote access, and even built-in AI tools. It offers a fixed price per technician for unlimited devices. It's also easy to set up and scale. It's built-in AI for ticket summarization and suggestions, and they have native integrations with AnyDesk, Splashtop, and more, and it's suitable for small to mid-sized IT teams. Now, SuperOps, on the other hand, or SuperOps is a modern PSA plus RRM solution designed for MSPs with a strong focus on automation, clean UI, and modularity, including ticketing, patch management, alerting, scripting, and documentation. It offers a clean UI with modular PSA. It is also offering a better automation and alerting rules. They also have a built-in documentation and asset management, and they have a strong scripting and patch control. So in conclusion, Atera is best for SMBs needing affordable all-in-one simplicity, and SuperOps is best for SMEPs wanting powerful automations and modern UI.